You might have received an email from YouTube creators where it says, sign up for your paperless tax documents in AdSense by December 31st. This is with respect to US tax details what we have submitted. Now first thing is, do not panic. This is a very simple thing that they have asked. Now why they are doing this is because so that they don't have to send the paper documents to your home. Instead of that, all the US tax details are going to be available online. Okay, and it's very simple step. So which we should be able to do in less than 30 seconds. So welcome to Sriram Benur channel and let's see how to do that. So first log into your AdSense account. Once you log in, on the left side you see payments section that is there. Just click on that. Once you go to payment section, you'll see the payment info tab. Just scroll down and click on manage settings. So in this screen, come to payments profile, scroll down to UX tax info. Now click on that edit button that is there. It will open a new section called as manage tax info. Just click on that. Once you do that, just scroll to the bottom. You will see manage delivery preference. Just click on that. Now they have written all the terms and conditions here. So earlier it was by mail. That means they used to send a document to your address, physical copy. Now they are saying go paperless. That means when the tax files are available, you're going to be notified via email that okay, the documents are available, and certainly you can view them online or you can download for any reason that is needed for you as well. Okay, so it says go paperless, that is recommended. Click on I accept the paperless delivery agreement and click on update delivery preference. So that's it. You are done with this simple task. Thanks for watching. If you have any questions, then just comment below. I'll be more than happy to answer. And if you're not already subscribed to the channel, please do subscribe, because in this channel, you get information which is always straight to the point. See you in the next video. Till then, take good care.